You have reached your destination.
Yep. Yep, here it is. That was 6 inches, 5 maybe? Or something like that. About 6 inches probably. Need to feed my birds. There's my deck, and yeah, pretty decent amount of snow. I'm not too displeased. It's a good day to be inside and working on my trailer. And here's today's work. Head is stuffed up. I am using my CAD design system to come up with a plate, and then I'll suitably what do you call it? Curve it so that it matches the curve of the front of the nose. And again, I'll be using this stuff here. This is 18 gauge, I think it is. 18 gauge steel that I bought. I bought a bunch of it. A bunch. Jesus Christ, I got 4 of these things. And it'll be part of the front there. So I'll trim this out, see how I did, and then try some more fitting and trimming of this piece of cardboard if I need to. Okay, here we go. I'm I'm pretty much ready to go with welding this stuff in. I've forgotten that I need to make the notches in the patch plate so that I can slip stuff in and in. So I'm gonna have to cut those down or cut those in there. That won't be tough, I don't think. Or I could do it later with a Dremel. I might do that. Yeah. Anyway, here we go. So I've drilled all these different holes, and from behind, once this thing is clamped on using my big ass clamps, I'm just gonna weld it in from behind so that I've got strength all throughout this thing. And then, depending on how well that works, I may just weld in the seam as well. I can see here that this poor thing has had some damage. So there's, maybe a 1/4 of an inch of Bondo here. Yeah, the sun is out. Snow's melting. It's unfortunate. Yeah. Once this thing goes on, this will sort of flatten out this area here, as well as here, make it a little bit more, I don't know, natural. Trying that grill yesterday, grill did not fit because this thing is, there's some damage. So, yep. And there we go. All right, so I've welded this from behind, from the holes behind, and from the top. You can see I've stitched it here all the way down and ground off the welds. What's left, of course, will be body filler, fiberglass, and that kind of stuff. So quite the work. I'll probably turn this over today and do some other stuff to it, I think.